Hello, this is going to be a quick demo of the HEXYLON TV analyzer. I have connected a small antenna and we are north of Dallas, about 40 miles away from any TV station here, but that's still fine. After having pushed the on button here, we're going to have to wait about 25 to 30 seconds before the unit boots up, and it is doing that. You can see the circle in the middle of the screen. As soon as that stops, we will start having some measurements on the screen. Okay, I have set it up on channel 18, so we see a spectrum up here. We also notice that it says it's ATSC, not an ATC3. We get some information here: power, carrier to noise, MERs, and we see the surfaces here, and it is KTXA. It is also indicated here on the bottom of the screen. In order to change the channel, we can do that by channel number or by frequency. And channel number, it'll give us a table. We just click on something different, and the screen that we see right now is a selection. You can select anything else in any of the screens, like here we could say constellation, but in this case I wanted it to be the measurements. Anytime you click on one of the screens, you double tap and you will get that piece of information enlarged. The same here. And for the spectrum also the same. You're going to see it work. So here we have the spectrum, and at this time there is also a peak hold. Double tap again. We can also change the screen from 4 windows to 6 windows by swiping. In this case, I have selected also the picture and the sound. Spectrum is still there. I have added constellation, but again, we can change to anything we want. And as before, we can select any of those, and it will even show information of that channel. We can also say we want different content within that same channel just by selecting that. And going back, double tap, we have this. So we can also go to a full screen spectrum analyzer. And there is 2 use cases for this. This is the normal spectrum analyzer, but again, we can sweep this and we will get a spectrum analyzer that not only has the analyzer, but also you will see the waterfall display. And that means we will see the intensity of the sweep as it passes over time. And this could be very useful to find interference, for instance. So again, we can go back, sweep. And so also quick show that this is the button where you can go to different menus. So if you want to change something in the setup, or you want to use the analyzer for cable, for satellite, as a Wi-Fi analyzer, for drive testing, optical input, LTE check. So there's a lot of different functions also in this analyzer. Just select one of these things here, like TV analyzer, and we are back to where we were with our TV analyzer. Thanks much, and see you in another clip.